If you've ever spent hours making sourdough, only to pull it out of the oven and end up with a dense loaf or a crust that just doesn't hit right, that's honestly one of the most frustrating parts of home baking. You do everything right, and somehow the results still feel inconsistent. So today, we're taking a closer look at the Nuovva Dutch oven for sourdough bread baking, a cast iron bread pot designed specifically for home bakers who want more consistent bakery-style results. This isn't just a standard Dutch oven. It's built with a dual loaf design, meaning you can bake two smaller round loaves at the same time, which is something you don't usually see at this price point. Right out of the box, this feels like a proper piece of bakeware. The cast iron construction gives it that solid, weighty feel that you expect from something designed to handle high temperatures. It's coated with an enamel finish in a bright orange color, which adds a bit of personality without being over the top. It looks good on the counter, but more importantly, it feels like it's built to last through repeated use. The dual baking compartments are the most interesting part of the design. Instead of one large cavity, you get two round sections, each size for smaller loaves. In practical terms, that means you can experiment with different doughs or flavors at the same time, or just bake more bread in one go without running multiple batches. For anyone who bakes regularly, that's a real time saver. The enamel coating also plays a role in everyday usability. It creates a smoother surface that's easier to clean compared to raw cast iron. You're not dealing with seasoning or worrying too much about sticking, which makes it more beginner-friendly. At the same time, it still retains the core benefits of cast iron, especially when it comes to heat retention. Now let's talk about performance, because that's where a bread pot like this really needs to prove itself. One of the biggest advantages of using cast iron is how evenly it distributes heat, and that shows up clearly when you're baking. The bread cooks more consistently, with fewer hot spots that can lead to uneven crusts or underbaked centers. Another key factor is moisture retention. When you bake bread in an enclosed environment like this, it traps steam naturally, which is essential for developing a good crust. In real-world use, this pot does a solid job of creating that balance between a crisp outer layer and a soft, airy interior. It's the kind of result that's hard to achieve with a regular baking tray. The dual compartments don't seem to compromise performance either. Each loaf gets enough space and heat to develop properly, so you're not sacrificing quality just because you're baking two at once. That's something that could have easily gone wrong, but it holds up well here. In terms of daily use, it fits into a typical baking routine without much friction. Preheating takes a bit of time, as expected with cast iron, but once it's hot, it stays consistent. Cleaning is relatively simple thanks to the enamel surface, and you don't have to deal with a lot of stubborn residue if you use parchment paper or a light coating of flour. That said, there are a few trade-offs. The weight is one of them. Like most cast iron cookware, this isn't something you handle casually. Moving it in and out of the oven requires a bit of care, especially when it's hot. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. Another thing is the size of the loaves. Because it's designed for two smaller breads instead of one large one, it might not suit everyone's preferences. If you're used to baking big, single loaves, this setup might feel a bit limiting. But if you like variety or smaller portions, it actually becomes an advantage. Compared to traditional single Dutch ovens in the same price range, this one stands out mainly because of its dual capacity. Most alternatives focus on one large loaf, which works well, but doesn't offer the same flexibility. On the other hand, higher-end bread ovens might deliver slightly more refined results, but they also come at a much higher cost. This sits comfortably in the middle, offering solid performance without pushing into premium pricing. So who is this really for? If you're a home baker who enjoys making sourdough or artisan-style bread and wants more consistency without overcomplicating the process, this is a great option. It's especially useful if you like baking multiple loaves or experimenting with different recipes. If you only bake occasionally or prefer larger loaves, you might want to consider a more traditional design. At the end of the day, this is one of those tools that helps bridge the gap between home baking and bakery quality results. It doesn't do the work for you, but it gives you the environment you need to get better outcomes. If you want to check current pricing or see more details, there's a link in the description. And if this helped you decide, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest, practical reviews like this.